Welcome to the Whisker Haven Night Guard.
Haha. In Whisker Haven Night.
No, I'm the Whisker Haven Night.
But what's the Whisker Haven Night?
Only the bravest pet in Whisker Haven.
And that's me.
No, it's me.
Let's haven a contest. Bravest one wins. Jessie, you judged.
Okay. But I've only ever judged costume balls.
First test of bravery. The dark.
It'll take more than that to scare this tiger.
You both did very well. Now can we turn the light back on, please?
Next test. Thunder.
Another time. That's lovely. Next.
And now, spiders.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Spiders. Would you excuse me?
I'm not afraid of spiders. I'm not afraid of anything.
Huh?
What was that?
Oh, that's just 3. I mean, the beastie. You haven't heard about the beastie.
The butt.
Beastie.
Yes, it's a scary beast with sharp claws and a terrifying tail. Whoever's not afraid of the beastie becomes the Whisker Haven Night Guard.
Air. Girls first.
After you.
What's that? Could it be the beastie?
Meowses. It's the beastie. It's true.
Cute boy.
Yes.
Will Cloudy sleep with all that noise?
Cute boy, you have such a beautiful snore. I do know it anywhere.
What? I never snore.
Well, it looks like the winner of the bravery contest is me.
I dub 3 Jessie. Whisker Haven Night Guard.
Hooray.
Oh my! And it's the perfect color.